What is going on, guys? I feel totally weird because I'm recording this off my cell phone, but I figured I'd do a quick review of the iSteady Mobile. It's a cheap $100 gimbal off Amazon, and I'm gonna do it really quick because I'm actually sending it back to Amazon, and I'm gonna tell you why right after the intro. Before we jump into everything, I am going to say I only use this for like 20 minutes, so this isn't going to be a video talking about how to use it and the controls. This is going to be the major reason why I'm sending mine back, and I feel like there's more people that would like to know this, and yeah, so it's just going to be a super quick review unboxing. Alright, so this is how the box comes. You get this right here. And it has like some crap on the back that tells you about it. It's a really good gimbal if all you want to do with it is like use your phone, because this is the iSteady Mobile. This is my review on the iSteady Mobile. It's a really good gimbal if all you want to use is your phone to get some smoother, more buttery like some video clips. I don't know how great it would be for taking photos, but for like time lapses and videos, if you're doing it on your phone, it definitely makes everything more smooth. So after you open this up, and you get this right here, so let's take a gander at this. Open this up, your little travel pack. And then you get some stuff inside, some salt that you can put on your food if you want. Do not do that, I was just joking. And then this is it. This is the Hohem iSteady Mobile 3-axis gimbal. It was super easy to calibrate. It does have like the little port thing, it's hard to do, that you can thread whatever you want into it, I guess, on top. So if you want to put like a light or something or a different mic, it's super easy to use. Pretty much tells you how to use all the modes. You got like press this button once, and it'll kind of like, I don't know what all this stands for, but that you just press this button and it goes through the modes. You got camera and video if you use their app and sync it up. If not, you just hold that to turn it on and then press it twice, I'm guessing. I don't know. I only used it for a couple minutes. So then this is supposed to autofocus it and bring it back center, but it didn't work for me, so I'm guessing if you use the app, there's probably a lot of stuff you can do if you download the app, but I didn't download the app, so I'm just going to say it from my thing. And then you can control it with this little thing that moves it around. These lights do work. It has a battery indicator on the side, has your charger on this side underneath this deal. It does come with a tripod and a charger. It's like a little tripod, so if you want to do time lapses and set it down. It also, I had it on there when I rocked it for like the 20 minutes I used it, to kind of stable it out a little bit. But my only complaint with it is I bought this and the Moment lenses. If you don't know what Moment lenses are, actually I got one right here, but they're like heavy duty phone lenses to make your video or pictures look more like a legit DSLR camera or something. Well, I put one of them on my camera or on my phone, and then I put the phone in the mount here, and I tried to use the Moment lens with the gimbal, and it was too heavy. Not side to side, because I do have the counterweight. It's that this cheaper gimbal, the motor wasn't strong enough for it, so it kept making the phone fall forwards, and it would just look down at the ground. I did have it calibrated correctly, so that wasn't the problem. It was that the motors are weaker than like the whatever Q4, some of the other gimbals that cost a little more. If you're using this for just your phone and you don't plan on doing anything else, it is a little bit cheaper. So I think I picked mine up for $100 and $99, and if that's all you're using it for, then go ahead and get it. But if you want to put like a Moment lens and have like a legit vlogging rig, kind of like I want to get more cinematic videos with mine, it's not going to work for me for what I want to do with it. So if you're planning on putting a lens and stuff on your phone and using it in one of these mobile 3-axis gimbals, pay a little more, get the Zhihun or whatever it's called, the Smooth 4, or the whatever the other ones, Mogi rig or whatever the other ones are. So that's why I'm sending it back, and I'm gonna get one of them other ones, and then I'll have more of a better review. But like I said, I only use this thing for like 20 minutes. Tried to put my lens on, didn't work, and now I'm sending it back. If you found this video helpful in any way, even though I know it was a super quick review, and I just want to get it out there that you cannot use the Moment lens with this gimbal. They're just too heavy, and the motors on the 3-axis gimbal just aren't strong enough. But if you found this video helpful in any way, please drop a thumbs up, because there's going to be a couple different solutions that I'm going to be checking out. So you might want to follow along, I guess. If not, if you like bike stuff, Jeep stuff, car stuff to do with my Cummins, anything with a motor, then check out some of my other videos. And follow me on all social medias. Everything will be linked down below. Until next time, I'm out.